How's it going, folks? Yes, I shaved my beard off, so it's no longer there. Today I'm actually going to be taking the motorcycle. Actually, technically it's my wife's. So I'm going to take the motorcycle to go see CJ's. We're going to look to see if we have time to put the fuel system in. I have nothing planned for today, so whatever happens, happens, and we'll see how this turns out. So thanks for tuning in, and here's that intro. So this is what I get when I come to CJ's. Come in and look at my car, see what's going on with it, and there's a present with all types of confetti stickers on there. At least the box is pretty though. Alright folks, so got my nice little box of parts in. Almost lost my bag of parts. We'll be running two 320s. Nothing really special about these. I mean, everybody's already seen one of them. If you've seen one, you've seen all of them. But this is what I'm most impressed with. My hat. That's a gorgeous looking hat. So, fun time.
That looks like to you?
Oh, that's exactly what it looks like to me. Just curious, what's the splash zone for this?
It's got a booster pump hidden somewhere.
Well, it's got a separate wiring kit in the back for it.
What? Where did it fire up? Needs to be timed. Oh yeah, idle. It's got a little hesitation when you're running down. Just like the BMWs where you can get to the fuel hatch and back seat?
No, I drilled a hole.
A big hole.
Through the heater core.
Yeah.
Shit, whatever, dude. You're never gonna let that one fucking down. One very small leaking mistake. I mean, oh.
Battery disconnected.
Yeah, I got no battery. No, Leo, it was tan. Let's break free this way.
I don't know. I think this 3-foot bit will work. Wait a minute, he's got a VFX.
Just waiting for the money shot. That's what she said.
Jeremy's never heard that from a girl.
Flash in the face.
And I got it on camera too.
Yeah.
Money shot.
Here she comes, then I got a splash in the face.
You can't work at an automotive shop because everything is related to. You know, guys came up with this because everything's 100% innuendos.
Now did it.
Oh.
Now I did it. If Daniel doesn't mind, I'll knock the metal and fold it back down.
I don't care. Go for it.
Honest? I've never had a fuel pump ring that didn't want to come out.
Woohoo!
See, that was
It's
easy.
out!
That was really easy.
Yeah.
God, there's so much fucking fuel.
Sorry.
These are gonna have to get inside.
Is that full?
I told y'all I had a full tank of gas when I came.
Dude, it's over full. It ain't full, it's over full. God almighty. Sorry about your car, Daniel.
Huh?
Sorry about the smell in your car.
It's alright. Race car, I'm used to it. What type of contraption is that?
He didn't do it by himself.
God almighty. That's bad, Daniel.
Huh?
That's bad.
What's bad?
All the fuel. Okay, I gotta get that unhooked without spilling that.
What you need? You need to hold something while you do it?
That pops. I think that's actually one that comes up.
Yeah, that's one that you have to pop upwards. It's one of those stupid clips.
Is it?
Yeah, it's one of those that I think you push it down here. It's the two that you pop there and it comes up.
Is that coming from this?
Yes. How
Yeah.
many fuel pumps are in there?
Two.
Okay. Well,
It's like it's a modified factory one.
I think we need to leave it in there for now. Let's pull the other sender out to see how full that tank is while we're in here, just to see. I'd say put it back in and we'll set it in there so it doesn't smell like fuel as much as we can. Sure. We're gonna have to call Sealy and find out why the fuck they told me it's just a direct plug and play.
Okay. Yeah, because that A and fin is not the right size either.
We can change the sender on the other side though.
Yeah. I'll be telling nobody my secrets now.
What secrets?
Just slipping that to get that out.
What are you talking about? I ain't gonna tell nobody. That's a lot of gas.
Yeah.
Okay, so in all honesty, I was not expecting to break down, so.
You want this one installed, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna need that installed. We're gonna have to make a phone call before we do anything to the other side. You need to let that guy over there tune your car. Okay?
The footage that you just saw was us trying to put the new upgraded hat in, and needless to say, it's not going to be a direct bolt-on like On3 said. It is going to be going to take some upgrading. So put about 100 miles on the 300 today. I have stopped to get something to drink because it's one thing I forgot when you're riding the bike. You just don't. So I found myself dehydrated. But here is the Ninja. It's the first time I've ridden it in a long time. And it actually, I miss it. It's actually a fun riding bike. I do have a OSAS tuner on it. It has full Leovance exhaust and airbox mod. So, I mean, honestly, it's a good riding bike. It's getting about 60 miles per gallon today. And kind of miss it. But thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will try to get y'all a better update next week. Like I said, this week's just been a rough week. So, again, thanks. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what y'all want to see. And I do my best for it. Thanks. Have a good night.